Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be going through how you can actually on your TV, which is the Samsung Tizen TV as seen here, which is the latest operating system from Samsung. I'll show you how to change your settings on your device. Alright, so specifically I'll be looking at how to connect to a network. Now, if you have connected to a network during setup and you want to switch networks, or of course you want to configure your settings as it relates to your network. Maybe you want to forget a network or whatever it is, or connect to a new Wi-Fi network. I'll show you how to do that on your TV, all right? So the first you can do, guys, get your remote. This is their Samsung remote. And we're going to go over to your left, or you can hit settings on your remote. But just in case you can't find that settings, you go down to settings right here. You're going to go over to all settings. Alright, so once you're on all settings here, guys, you should be able to easily navigate to connections. So once you're on connections, we're going to go over by selecting. Alright, so we're going to go to connections, we're going to select, then we're going to go to network. Alright, notice when you're in a network here, you can open network settings, you can reset your network, but forget your network in case you want to erase everything. And you can go into expert settings. So in case you want to connect to a network, this would be the option for you. Network status will bring up information about your current network and the connection and health status. So if you just want to see if everything is working, you can go there and do some diagnostics. All right. So in case you want to connect to a network, it will be open network settings. So you can go ahead, open network settings. All right. It will ask you if you want to use a wired or wireless. We're on wireless. There you go. It will scan. That small box on your left will indicate as to the networks that are available and if you can connect. As you can see here as well, guys, it does detect the Wi-Fi networks as seen there, and you can connect to a new one. If there's one that you haven't connected to, you can use WPS. You can add a network in case it's hidden. All right, and you can manage save networks, or you can refresh the list. So of course this would be the screen that will allow you to easily connect and find your networks and connect to them. You'll have to know the password. You can enter it with your remote, and of course that's how you do it on this device in terms of connecting to a new wireless network. Well, hope this was useful as well as Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Same until next time. Bye.